Hey YouTube, it's Jimmy's Garage and I'm back. And I'm pretty excited right now because I just picked up a 1995 Dio 2. Check it out. Woo-wee. And there's a gap in my garage, and that's because I traded my 3KJ. I liked it. It was fast, cool, light. Had the digital dash, had the cool seat, the double seat. I had everything I thought I wanted. 3KJ wasn't for me. You know, Trevor, Mop Boys, I watched his stuff. Shout out Trevor, love your channel. Probably the best scooter channel out there. Just wasn't for me. It's fast, but it's not a good wheelie scooter, and all I do is ride wheelies. Detroit scooter tuning scene, that's who I ride with. So tried it, was gonna build it, was gonna do a stage 6 build, kind of like the yellow pre-bug over here. And yeah, it wasn't for me. So I posted I was gonna trade actually for a CRF110. I wanted one of the EFI ones. I was getting all these junk offers. I think just a lot of the CRF guys don't know scooters are cool. So yeah, here's the deal. Here she is, 95 Dio 2, pretty minty. I'll probably do a Thrill Seekers cover. This thing's like just, slick and old. It had a V8 exhaust, that's it. Funny enough, the headlight low beam was burned out, and this was the same bulb that I pulled out of the Jog, and I put an LED in it, and so I had another bulb laying around. So that was pretty cool. Didn't have to buy a bulb. I actually kind of want to do yellow LED. It's raining outside. I got it home and it was raining. Cleaned the carb. It was running a little rough. Guy, real nice guy here, local. He bought it from Todd out at Scooter Supply Co. That's also who built my yellow one. Shout out Todd, Scooter Supply Co. out in Grand Rapids. So yeah, he got it from there, and I guess he's had it a year or so. And I believe, if anybody's local and seen it, I think it had this taillight on it when it used to be listed for sale. I got an offer when I posted the Jog to trade for a pretty sweet, a local guy's Rad Elite that's like Corsa build, pretty sweet scoot. But when I got messaged about the Dio, I couldn't say no. Came with one key, ordered a spare. It's an OEM Honda key, but it only came with one. Should start right up. Oh. Well, okay, I was gonna say it was idling just fine. Everything was running good. Yeah, so I need to get a battery for it. Probably do a variator and just kind of run it like that for a while. These have the good wheels. Like the Metro wheels, tubeless, 2.15 inch wide. Headlights working. I noticed these have, let me turn this off. These have the speed light. When I hit, I don't know, maybe 40 kilometers per hour, that starts flashing. I wonder, I guess you can maybe set that. I don't know. Everything works, horn, blinkers, all that. So yeah, it's just a little different that gas is there, oil is there, instead of gas and oil like Elites. Funny enough, whenever we were making the trade, the Jog's funny because it's got oil and gas, so it's just flip-flopped on these. So yeah, oh yeah, and then I drained the oil tank. The guy had Caster 927 in it, which is not good for oil injection, and then I put some Motul Scooter Expert in it, just because I got a lot of this locally at Magic Motorsports. So actually I got it even on sale, I believe, less than $9.95 a quart. So I've got a few quarts of that left. Yeah, it's good oil. So here she is, very proud of this. Dio City Movement Honda. I love it. My scooter's got motion already. It came with a mirror too, but anyways, I will probably powder coat the wheels. Because these are the good Metro wheels, I'll probably powder coat them, or the Dio, wheels, but this is an AF27. I changed the wheels on the Elite to the RPM wheels because they're the 2.15 inch wide. what do they call, tubeless. I like those Pirelli tires. I'll probably run those on this scooter too. I had just put some brand new Pirelli SL26s on the Jog, but again, you know, I think this is the scooter's obviously worth more than a 3KJ. So these wheels are, you know, just some surface rust. I think they're worth saving.